Okay, you're locked out of your bathroom door. There's not much to them. We could slip them, do whatever. There's basically two main types. One where you push in and you can feel it springy and it'll release the inner knob. And the other ones you've got to turn. So I'm going to use a little flathead screwdriver. Just going to put it in a little bit. Just give it a little, just got to slot it in, give it a little turn. There we go. That's all it is. So just a little flathead just goes in there and unlocks the door. So let's lock the door again. So it's locked. Another way of doing it is I just take my little diamond pick, put it in there. You can feel it just turn, and it's open. So it doesn't take anything. You have whatever you got kicking around the house, paper clips, flathead screwdrivers, whatever, spring steel. Now it only works, you have to turn. But you can quickly tell if you put it in there that this is unlocked. If you feel it, I don't feel any springness there. So I know I have to turn it to unlock it. So it's just a little tiny, your flathead screwdriver, your little tiny pick. You can get into your locked bathroom door. Quick, simple, easy, and fast. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.